Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha narrated that on the day when the illness leading the demise of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam began, he came to my place while I was suffering from a headache. So I said, "O my head." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam jokingly said, "I wish that whatever is going to happen to me in life would happen to you, so that I could prepare you well and bury you." I replied, "Do you have any other purpose?" "You will be married to another woman on this day," he said. Then the Prophet ﷺ said, "O my head, call my father and brother to me, so that I may write a document for Abu Bakr. For I am concerned that someone may claim or wish for leadership, but Allah and all the Muslims will not accept anyone besides Abu Bakr." Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 24005.